that the first such sequence was part of a database back in October. But in October, with declining cases, no knowledge about this particular mutation being important, nobody except, I'll use a Hindi word here, an antaryami person could have possibly thought this was important. So outbreaks started in India, starting in December, January in the states of Kerala, Maharashtra. We paid particular importance to these two states and we started looking for mutations in these areas. Kerala had the most severe outbreak at that point in time, and this mutation was absolutely not seen in Kerala. So this was not correlated with the clinical outbreaks over there. In Maharashtra, the first report that you will see in India of sequences starting to show this will come from BJMC and where a few number of samples were sequenced, but those were not representative. Around the same time, this mutation turned out to be important in papers coming out of California, where they tied in with outbreaks. At that point, you have an outbreak, you have mutations available in sequences, and you have a reason to correlate them together. We are exactly making the same judgments today. Today, we can see that many doctors are having breakthroughs. We are correlating that. All these are things that are actually happening in India as well. But before, when something becomes of great interest to the media, everybody wants real-time updates. But it takes time to be very sure that what is the percentage of vaccinated doctors that are being infected. So we can see that most doctors who are having breakthrough vaccinations tend to have some kind of an escape variant or the other, not the normal strain, which is a good sign for the quality of our vaccination program. And most of them are having mild illnesses. It is just that, it has become a very hot media topic, this particular strain. And especially in India, this is not the only variant. In North India, Punjab does not have it. Kerala does not have it. They also had outbreaks. So it is not a single simple story.